Good afternoon. My name is Kim Dandran with Aulterra Global. I'm the CEO and founder, creator of all these products. I want to introduce you today to our two newest products, and one is, previously we've had a whole house plug, and this is it, and most of you that are probably watching this have owned one of these plugs. And we went to a more modern looking, actually more effective model and did it in a USB port. So we have one for the house, and in doing so we also were able to develop one for the car. The one for the house, and the reason we did the USB port I wanted to show you because it's so easy to plug it in. If you have a cell phone, you have a charger, just go buy another one, a cheap one at a gas station, they're about $2. And you plug it in any outlet in the house, take the USB port, plug it into it, and leave it plugged in, and you can put it anywhere. The nice thing about this, on a global scale, it allows anybody to use any cell phone charger with any type of plug-in to plug this into their outlet in their house. It takes about 3 days to retune all the wiring in the house, though most of the beneficial effect happen right away, but it takes usually 3 days for the whole effect to happen. And it really does neutralize the EMS coming from electricity that's going through the wiring in your house. All your lights, all your lamps, even fluorescence lights, it really neutralizes all that damage that happens to your body from all the different types of energy usage things in your house. The only thing that I often recommend is your router runs on a single frequency, so it has a very high pitch or a high peak of its EMF current. So I usually put an additional neutralizer, which is our thing we have on our phones. Here we go. The neutralizer on the Wi-Fi, your router, because it does run on a single frequency that's much higher than like a cell phone. The other thing I recommend when you have this whole house unit plugged in is that you also put a neutralizer on your smart meter outside. The two combined do an amazing job of mitigating all those negative effects. And then at the same time we developed this one for the car. We've been getting requests for this for a couple of years, more so as more and more hybrid electric cars. Our cars are more and more electric gadgets in them, phones built into them, all sorts of stuff, so the damage inside a car is becoming very intense. So we did this, and it's the same basis. It has, you plug it into a USB port in your car, and you leave it there. You don't take it out and do something else with it. It's not, neither one of these USB ports can be used to plug into your computer and use as a thumb drive. They're made only to be used for what they're made to be used for. This one runs I had to do a special formula for each of these. Cars run on DC current, which is 12 volt, 24 volt direct current. So it's not pulsating like electricity in a house, AC current. So this formula is specifically designed for DC current in a car. If you don't have a USB port in your car, I went to the store, and then for $2.99 at a gas station, I was able to buy one that goes into my cigarette lighter that has 2 USB ports on it, and I just plug this into one of them and I leave it there all the time. It makes an amazing difference on children and the health of everybody else in the car, and especially if you have a hybrid car or a Tesla car. We've done several tests with totally electric cars with astounding results with the blood work. We do live blood analysis on everything to prove whether it's working or not. So I really wanted to introduce these products. Like I said, if you don't have a USB port in your house, and like my home's a little bit older, so it didn't have any, I just bought a 99-cent or $1.20 charger for my phone, plugged it into the wall, plugged this in it, and it works great. I'm going to walk over here and show you real quick. My cord doesn't get tangled up anyway. You just plug it right in, and I leave it, period. I never take it out. Some people want to take it out and take it on the plane or do this or that with it. I say buy an extra one. The longer this is plugged into your house, the more benefit you and your family and anyone that comes in your house is going to get from it. So again, this is Kim Dandran with Aulterra International, introducing our two new products, the whole house USB and the whole car USB. I hope you find it makes an improvement in the quality of your life and that you enjoy it very much. Thank you. Take care and have a great day. Bye.